Exercise 8.1 question number 5. Given sec theta equal to 13 by 12, find the all other trigonometric ratios. Let us consider a right triangle ABC right angled at B as shown in this figure, and let this acute angle A be denoted by theta. We are given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12 and this theta is to be acute angle. So here acute angle A of this triangle ABC right angled at B, we have taken theta. Now sec theta is defined as reciprocal of cosine of angle theta, that is base by hypotenuse is cos of angle theta, that is cos theta. Now sec is reciprocal of cos, so sec theta will be equal to hypotenuse by base. So AC is AB. Let AC be equal to 13K and AB be equal to 12K. AC 13K and AB 12K. Using Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle ABC, let us find length of BC. So using Pythagoras theorem we can write BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. So BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square, and we can write BC is equal to under root AC square minus AB square. This is equal to under root (13K) square minus 12K whole square equal to under root 169K square minus 144K square is equal to under root 25K square, which is equal to 5K. So this way BC we have got 5K. Now we can write the other trigonometric ratios. So sine of angle A, or we can write sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. BC by AC equal to 5K divided by 13K. K cancel, so 5 by 13. Cos theta base by hypotenuse, and cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, so directly we can write 12 by 13. Tan theta is defined as base by perpendicular by base, BC by AB, so 5K by 12K. K cancelled, 5 by 12. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, so cosec theta is 13 by 5. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta is equal to 12 by 5 reciprocal of tan theta. So this way we have got 5 trigonometric ratios if we were given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12 in this question. Now question number 6. If angle A and angle are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. In this question, let us consider a right triangle ABC right angled at C, in which angle A and angle B are acute angles as shown in this figure. In this figure, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle right angled at C, and angle A and angle B are both are acute angles. We are given that for acute angles A and B, cos A is equal to cos B. Given that cos A is equal to cos B for acute angles A and B, for acute angles A and B in a right angle triangle as shown in this figure. Now we have to prove that when cos A is equal to cos B for acute angles A and B, then both the acute angles A and B are equal. So we will move with this given condition: cos A is equal to cos of angle B. For acute angle A, this acute angle A, cos A is base by hypotenuse, AC by AB, which is equal to cos B. So for acute angle B, cos B is base BC by hypotenuse AC. So BC by AB. So this way AC by AB equal to BC by AB, and this implies AC is equal to BC. This side AC is equal to side BC of triangle ABC. So in a triangle, when two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal, and this implies that angle A is equal to angle B. Region angles opposite to equal sides are equal, and this way angle A is equal to angle B. Hence proved.